So this is the new toolbox. I still have my Milwaukee cart. This is all set up now. Start here. Have my chargers, flashlight bits, monitor. I hook up my phone to it and I can use it as a desktop. Magnets here, bolts straight for connectors. Have can holders here. Have all the specialty tools here. All the hammers. This is the electrical drawer. This is 3/4 sockets. This one's 3/4 as well. All the specialty sockets, I move them here. Flashlight drawer. Socket drawer. So we gotta organize a little bit more. Wrench drawer. I gotta order more of these boards so I can continue this way. Ratchet drawer. Same thing, gotta order more so I can complete it. Picks. Specialty tools. This is for moving seals, for condensers, radiators, washing them. This is for the drum brakes for the springs. This one as well. Plier drawer. Milwaukee power tools. This is air tools, some grinders here. Move here. Random stuff, chargers, more wrenches, screwdrivers, drill bits, punches, more drill bits, brushes, rivet gun, battery terminal crimpers. This is to adjust the slack adjusters. Pliers, how I was showing you guys, and random stuff down here. This one's for paperwork. Some random stuff, blow guns, knives, scrapers, batteries, and more power tools. I still gotta find a place for my pry bars down here. But this is it, guys.